Good evening. Tonight, we invite you to join us for Luminous, The Symphony of Us. Due to lower light levels during the show, we ask that you please watch your step and be sure to take small children by the hand. Tonight's performance of Luminous, The Symphony of Us will begin in just a few minutes.
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.
Karibu.
Huanyin.
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos. Welcome.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Find your place in the great symphony of us.
Can you hear the sound of a world in motion? The wind through the trees, the tides of the ocean. Can you feel the beat of a million hearts all in time? Like the sun, the moon, and light. And in the tiny moments in between, I remember you are a part of me, and I am a part of you. Just like a symphony, different melodies live in harmony. So go ahead and sing your song. I'll be there to sing along. We come together. It's a heartbeat symphony. Yeah. It's a heartbeat symphony.
When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise, cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边 Je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Long as stay on, just time to you seem so strong. My arms holding you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you lie. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day now and
We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
You're in my arms, and all the world is calm. The music playing on for only two. So close together, and we're everything. So close to feel. still so far.
Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved, recuérdame. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Recuérdame. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. We had each other, and that was all. Just she and I together. Tears make a sound when she loved me.
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. Together, our voices can illuminate the world. If we only listen closely for the sounds of each other. That we exist on this planet at the same time. Now that I found you. And yet, it's the human connection that unifies us.
A pulse, a beat, like gravity. The rhythm of our hearts is all around. Steady spinning round the sun. The beating of our hearts echoes straight up to the stars for all the world to hear. It never fades. Steady on your ready, can you feel it? Here it comes. Come together as one, like a wave across the ocean, like a rhythm of love when your heart's wide open. Sound is it all that we are? Feel it in the beat, feel it in the beat of our hearts, beating of our hearts. One single
We hope you enjoyed Luminous, the Symphony of Us. From all of us here at Epcot, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.